Are you a sauerkraut lover? Then this recipe is for you. This sauerkraut soup is hearty and comforting. It's packed with the wholesome ingredients like potatoes and white beans, along with satisfying bacon and sausage. Sauerkraut soup originates in Eastern Europe, however this version has a definite American influence. Okay, to begin, slice your bacon into strips and cook over medium heat until crispy, about 5 to 6 minutes. Remove the bacon and set aside. To the bacon drippings, add the celery, carrots, and onions. Sauté over medium-high heat until tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. One of the key ingredients that makes this recipe different from others is the addition of ground fennel. It adds a mild spice that complements the sauerkraut beautifully. Stir in the spices, garlic, and tomato paste. Cook stirring frequently for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the tomato paste to caramelize slightly. This will give the soup a richer flavor and will deepen the color of the broth. Next, add the crispy bacon back in along with the chicken broth, water, potatoes, white beans, and sausage. Bring to a boil and then lower to a simmer. Cook covered until the potatoes are tender, about 20 to 25 minutes. Some really important tips when making this recipe. Because the soup can lean towards higher sodium levels, it's important to drain and rinse the white beans well. Additionally, hold off on salting the soup and let people salt their individual portions. The bacon can be eliminated to lower sodium levels in addition to how you approach adding the sauerkraut. I recommend using a high-quality sauerkraut such as Wild Brine brand. Rinsing the sauerkraut under cold water will remove excess sodium. However, if you enjoy the full intense flavor of sauerkraut, then do not rinse it. Once your potatoes are tender, then add in the sauerkraut and simmer only for a very short time, about 8 to 10 minutes. Garnish with fresh herbs, sour cream, or grated cheese. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.